Several additional tools usually come with the development toolchain provided by the hardware vendors. Installation is not always straightforward and updating is tricky. Moreover, developers who use a variety of platforms struggle with updating and browse the web for tools, samples, and libraries. Handling the libraries they use for development is time-consuming and involves instant monitoring of changes, manual copy-paste operation on files, etc. Moreover, it has to be done individually for every single project. This is where middleware for developers comes in. At the moment, Platform I/O is undoubtedly the most versatile. It is composed of the core command line part and dedicated plugin for a variety of code editors. Perhaps the most popular is the Platform I/O plugin for Visual Studio Code. Platform I/O helps to set up and configure projects for variety and virtually any hardware IoT platform, including universal frameworks such as Arduino and dedicated ones. Platform I/O installs development toolchains with just one click, usually directly from the hardware's vendor's website. It contains configuration files for the majority of microcontrollers and development boards regarding their flash and RAM memory sizes, clock speeds, connectivity, and so on. It even enables remote hardware development via the network, both local and global. Using the Platform I/O plugin or command line version, the developer can compile, upload, and flash the device firmware and even monitor code execution. It also collaborates with hardware and software debuggers, such as in example Open on-chip debugger. Obviously, some features are unavailable on every device platform because of hardware limitations. Platform I/O handles library management via an integrated repository that includes easy library downloads, including those for the IoT project and even the creations of necessary configuration files. Moreover, it can automatically include dependency libraries when necessary. Libraries can be kept per project or in a global cache for massive and large-scale development. Platform I/O also instantly monitors repositories and informs IoT code developers on any development toolchains and library updates when only they appear. A Platform I/O enabled IoT project is a set of files with a platform io.ini file in the root folder and main CPP in the source subfolder. The platform io.ini file describes all the technical parts of the project: the hardware platform, the method of uploading the firmware, usually via the serial port, software libraries included in the code that should be automatically pulled from the library repository during compilation, serial port tracing configurations, and many other options.